2025 is a transformative year for Geminis, marked by opportunities for growth, self-discovery, and building stability in various areas of life. The year begins with Saturn in Pisces, urging you to focus on long-term goals and develop a disciplined approach to your endeavors. As Jupiter transitions into Taurus in the first half of the year, you'll find yourself re-evaluating your priorities, particularly around career and personal values. This influence encourages grounding and setting the stage for future success. From May onwards, Jupiter enters Gemini, bringing expansion, luck, and renewed optimism. This period will feel like a personal renaissance, with opportunities for growth in relationships, career, and personal endeavors. However, the 4 Mercury retrogrades this year will demand careful planning, as they may cause delays or misunderstandings. Patience and adaptability, 2 of your natural strengths, will be key to navigating these periods effectively. Let's start with love and relationships. The year 2025 will be a transformative period for Gemini in love and relationships, with the planets aligning to bring moments of passion, growth, and reflection. The year begins with Venus in Sagittarius, your 7th house of partnerships, encouraging excitement and optimism in your connections. Whether you are single or committed, this transit inspires open communication and adventurous experiences with your partner. However, Mercury retrograde in Capricorn in January might bring temporary misunderstandings or emotional insecurities to the surface. Use this period to revisit unresolved issues and foster a deeper emotional connection by addressing past wounds. As spring unfolds, the solar eclipse in Aries in April activates your 11th house of friendships and social networks, potentially bringing a romantic opportunity through your circle of friends. This celestial event marks a turning point, encouraging you to embrace new beginnings in your relationships. When Venus enters Gemini in May, you become particularly alluring and charismatic, making it easier to attract love or deepen your existing bond. This transit amplifies your natural charm, encouraging playful and engaging interactions with those you care about. During the summer, Mars in Cancer energizes your 2nd house of values, pushing you to evaluate the role of stability and security in your relationships. This influence urges you to establish a stronger foundation with your partner or seek someone who aligns with your long-term goals. The second half of the year, especially with Jupiter's transit in Taurus influencing your 12th house of healing, brings introspection. It's a time to let go of unhealthy attachments and focus on emotional well-being. If you're in a relationship, this period could strengthen your bond by encouraging mutual understanding and support. As 2025 concludes, Venus in Scorpio in November enhances your passion and intimacy. This is a period of profound emotional connections where deeper feelings can emerge. For singles, meaningful encounters are likely, while couples can explore new depths in their partnership. The planetary alignments this year emphasize growth, understanding, and the importance of balancing independence with emotional commitment in your love life. Financial predictions for 2025. The year 2025 is a transformative one for Gemini in terms of wealth, investments, and financial stability. Significant planetary movements, including Jupiter, Saturn, and the eclipses, shape your approach to money and bring opportunities for growth as well as cautionary moments. With Jupiter in Taurus, your 12th house of expenses, from the beginning of the year until May 25, 2025, you may notice an increase in spending on travel, self-improvement, or behind-the-scenes projects. While these expenditures could initially seem like a drain on your resources, they are likely to set the stage for future gains. However, it's important to maintain a well-planned budget to avoid unnecessary financial strain. After May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, your 1st house of self, marking a prosperous period for personal financial growth. This transit boosts your confidence and brings opportunities for new income streams, such as business ventures, promotions, or increased client engagement. Saturn remains in Pisces throughout the year, influencing your 10th house of career. This transit continues to emphasize the need for structured and disciplined efforts in your professional life. Your career will be directly tied to your financial success in 2025, and consistent hard work will pay off. Saturn's influence may limit short-term gains, but rewards those who focus on sustainable long-term strategies. The solar eclipse in Aries on April 20th activates your 11th house of gains, investments, and social connections. This eclipse can bring sudden financial opportunities, such as a profitable investment or unexpected support from a powerful ally. It's an excellent time to align your goals with your network and explore new income sources. However, the lunar eclipse in Taurus on October 17th might reveal hidden financial issues such as overlooked expenses or unwise investments. Be prepared to reassess your financial strategies during this period. The second half of the year is particularly promising for investments, especially after Jupiter trines Saturn in November. This harmonious aspect creates an ideal environment for real estate, long-term savings plans, or innovative ventures. If you've been considering a major financial move, such as buying property or expanding your business, this is a favorable time. The stock market may offer gains for Gemini in 2025, but only for those who approach it strategically. Speculative ventures could bring quick returns during April's solar eclipse and November's Jupiter-Saturn trine, but impulsive decisions are likely to lead to losses. Focus on thorough research and a long-term vision to make the most of these opportunities. In conclusion, 2025 brings a mix of financial growth and lessons for Gemini. With disciplined planning, a strategic approach to investments, and the ability to adapt to sudden changes, this year has the potential to significantly improve your financial stability and set the foundation for lasting success. Let's talk about health in 2025, Gemini. The year begins with a focus on mental health and energy management. With Jupiter in your 12th house of rest and Saturn in your 10th house, you might feel the weight of responsibilities affecting your physical vitality. Prioritize quality sleep, as restless nights could lead to fatigue. The Mercury retrograde in Capricorn, January 14th to February 8th, might trigger stress, so practice mindfulness or meditation to stay balanced. Avoid overindulging in comfort food, as it could impact your digestion and overall health. The second quarter brings improvement in your energy levels, especially as Mars moves through Cancer, May 27th to July 5th, your second house. However, this transit could also increase your emotional sensitivity, leading to minor health issues like stomach discomfort or stress-related ailments. The solar eclipse in Aries, April 20th, could inspire you to adopt a more active lifestyle, such as taking up a new fitness routine or focusing on healthier eating habits. Venus in Gemini, May 9th to June 3rd, enhances your overall vitality, making this a great time for self-care and beauty treatments. Third quarter requires attention to emotional well-being, as Venus retrogrades in Leo, June 29th to September 3rd. Emotional fluctuations could manifest as physical discomfort, such as headaches or tension. Hydration and regular exercise will be essential to maintain balance. Mars in Virgo, July 6th to August 18th, emphasizes the need for a routine checkup, especially if you've been neglecting your health. Focus on gut health and a balanced diet to avoid minor ailments. The final quarter of the year brings a surge of energy and a renewed focus on health. With Jupiter forming a trine to Saturn in November, you may feel motivated to adopt long-term wellness strategies, such as enrolling in a fitness program or committing to a healthier lifestyle. The lunar eclipse in Taurus on October 17th, affecting your 12th house, highlights the importance of mental health. This period encourages introspection and relaxation, making activities like yoga or meditation particularly beneficial. As Mars transits Scorpio, November 4th to December 29th, your 6th house of health and routines, you'll feel a strong drive to enhance your physical fitness. This is an excellent time to start a new exercise regimen or make necessary dietary changes. However, avoid overexertion, as pushing yourself too hard could lead to burnout or minor injuries. Venus in Scorpio during this time also supports rejuvenation, so focus on activities that nurture both your body and mind. If we talk about travel, in 2025, Gemini can expect a dynamic year for travel, driven by opportunities for personal growth, career advancements, and spiritual exploration. Jupiter's transit through your 12th house until May 25th encourages long-distance journeys, possibly for retreats, self-discovery, or visiting places of spiritual significance. After Jupiter enters your sign in late May, short and purposeful trips become more frequent, offering chances to expand your knowledge, network, or professional reach. The solar eclipse in Aries on April 20th might bring sudden travel opportunities tied to your goals or social connections. However, Mercury retrogrades in January, April, and December could cause delays or disruptions, so ensure your plans are well organized. By the end of the year, as Mars energizes your sixth house of routine, you might find travel linked to health or professional responsibilities, making 2025 a year of both adventure and meaningful journeys. Overall, 2025 is your year to rise and shine. While the journey might have its twists and turns, every challenge will lead to greater clarity and growth. Embrace the opportunities, take calculated risks, and trust in your ability to adapt and thrive. Remember, the stars guide you, but your actions shape your destiny. Stay positive, plan wisely, and make the most of this promising year. If you enjoyed this detailed 2025 forecast, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more astrological insights. See you in the next video, and may the stars always align in your favor.